Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. Now normally I talk a lot about a lot of products on my channel. I do a lot of product recommendations video, but in today's video I'm not going to talk about any particular product. I'm not going to recommend any product, but I'm going to talk about an app, a service. और आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं CureSkin ऐप के बारे में। CureSkin एक ऐप है जहाँ पे आपको स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो उसका सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। आपको कोई भी स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू कैन गो टू द ऐप और वहाँ पे आपको एक कस्टमाइज्ड स्किन केयर किट मिलेगा विच विल बी रिकमेंडेड बाय एक्सपर्ट्स। आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उसी हिसाब से आपको प्रोडक्ट दिया जाएगा एंड दैट विल बी कस्टमाइज्ड जस्ट फॉर यू ओनली। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज गो टू प्ले स्टोर एंड इंस्टॉल द ऐप. It looks somewhat like this. So first you have to download the app and then log in, और उसके बाद you have to go through few random questions like your age, if you have any particular skin concerns, if you have PCOD, do you smoke, are you married or not. They are very random questions. और उसके बाद you have to go through the skin analysis which is the photo analysis, and it's very important and it's very easy. It will take about 10 seconds or so. और photo analysis के बाद आपको पता चल जाएगा कि exactly आपको क्या क्या skin problem या hair problems है, and they have a panel of high experienced dermats जो आपको आपकी skin problem के हिसाब से products recommend करेंगे. Now first of all, the app is very easy to use. It's for free. Each and everyone can download एंड यूज इट. फोटो एनालिसिस के लिए भी आपको कोई चार्जेस नहीं देने पड़ते. अगर आप कोई भी डर्मेट के पास जाओ तो यू हैव टू पे अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी टू द डर्मेट. आप उनके रिकमेंडेड प्रोडक्ट्स लो, मेडिसिन लो या ना लो, यू हैव टू पे द सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, राइट. तो यहाँ पे आपका जो स्किन एनालिसिस है वो बिल्कुल फ्री है. नाउ आफ्टर द एनालिसिस इज डन दे विल रिकमेंड यू फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन नीड, एंड आफ्टर you place the order, the dermats will verify your products first and then they will process the order, and after they ship the products it takes about 2 to 3 days max. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो products मुझे मिले वो आपको भी मिले. You will get your products according to your skin need. Now after trying so many skincare products on my face, my skin just went on toss. Okay, I was literally frustrated कि क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, and I wanted to take a break from using 20 million products on my face because you guys, I was literally frustrated. Now I came to know about this app from YouTube only, और मुझे ये ऐप काफ़ी ट्रस्टवर्दी लगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने बस वीडियो देखा और इंस्टॉल कर लिया. I went through a lot of reviews. Okay, I went through a lot of videos, a lot of reviews. I checked the reviews on the Play Store app and then I installed it, and after installing the app I went through the chat session and the photo analysis part which was for free, so everyone can do that. And फिर मुझे लगा कि यार चलो ठीक है, एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं बिकॉज आई स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन माई मेकअप एंड स्किन केयर. ओके, तो मुझे लगा कि एक बार चलो ट्राई कर लेते हैं बिकॉज वी स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन हाई एंड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर नॉट रिकमेंडेड बाय डर्मेट्स एट ऑल. तो ठीक है, एक बार ट्राई करके देख ही सकते हैं, राइट. तो मुझे लगा कि ठीक है, अगर काम कर जाए तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं करे तो भी ठीक है, एंड दीज आर रिकमेंडेड बाय डर्मेट्स. तो मुझे लगा कि इतने सारे अच्छे रिव्यूज़ हैं तो ठीक है, चलो ट्राई कर लेते हैं. नाउ द स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैव ऑयली स्किन एंड ओपन पोर्स, एंड देन आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्ने ऑन माई स्किन. I have acne scars, I have open pore issues, वहाँ पे clogged pores का भी problem है थोड़ा. I have whiteheads, and whenever my skin goes on toss, I get a lot of texture and bumps on my skin, and my skin is not doing well from past 15 to 20 days, and this is the reason why I'm not making a lot of makeup tutorials recently, because I get a lot of bumps on my skin and my skin is supremely irritated, you guys. So I thought of give this one a shot because the products were recommended by dermats. It's not too expensive, so I can spend that amount of money for these products. Now the products came in this beautiful cardboard box and their packaging is quite nice and clean. And when you open this, you guys can see I got 4 products. तो मुझे 4 products मिले हैं. So this one is a face wash, this is a sunscreen, और ये दो है जो treatment products है मेरे लिए. So ये है एक acne duo and this one is glyconim, this is a cream. Now this is the face wash. You have to use it twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to the bed. Now another thing I really liked about this particular app is they have mentioned all of their ingredients. You can go through their ingredient list and you will know what exactly they are using in their products. So this has glycolic acid, aloe vera and stuff. And as I have a lot of acne issues and I have been through a lot of dermats, okay, and I know what kind of products they do recommend. So when I saw their ingredients, I was kind of sure that these products are gonna work on me. So the first thing is this one. This is the glycolic acid, which is really good for your skin. This is the glyconim 6. It has 6% of glycolic acid. And then I have this acne duo that has benzoyl peroxide 2.5% and clindamycin. I have been through these products before, not these ones, but I have used these kind of medicines before that has benzoyl peroxide and clindamycin, so I know how these products work. And this works great if you have active acne issues. You just have to mix them two in similar quantity and just dot it on your acne spots, and this is going to tame down your acne like no one's business. And the glyconim 6 is for the pigmentation and acne scars, so this works great as well. So these are the treatment products. And then I have the sunscreen. Now I use it after waking up in the morning. I wash my face with the face wash and then I use the sunscreen, and this one is so nice and moisturizing. I don't even use a moisturizer separately, and this has SPF 30 and it does the job pretty well. Now I have been using these products from past 7 to 10 days and I have been using these products only, okay, as my skincare routine. और मैं अलग से कोई products use नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे जानना था कि how these products are gonna work on me और ये काम करता है भी या नहीं. तो I have been using these products only, और after using this for 7 days मुझे difference दिखा और फिर मुझे लगा कि चलो ठीक है एक वीडियो बना लेते हैं इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि अभी जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है from past 1.5 years, कोई भी डर्मेट के पास जाना आपका स्किन कंसर्न या हेयर कंसर्न लेके इज सो हेक्टिक थैंक्स टू कोविड. एंड अगर आप घर बैठे बैठे किसी डर्मेट के साथ कंसल्ट कर सकते हो, आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट ऑप्शन नाउ यू हैव. और अगर घर बैठे बैठे आपको एक ऑप्शन मिल रहा है कि आप एक डर्मेट के साथ कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं, तो व्हाई नॉट, राइट? नाउ आई नो a lot of us, including me, we spend a lot of money on a lot of expensive skincare products. And let me tell you guys, whatever skincare products that are available in the market right now, most of them are cosmetic products and not recommended by dermats. There are very less products which are recommended by dermats, and you should know that only medicated products are recommended by dermats and not skincare products, okay? Now the products they are providing, these are medicated products and these are not cosmetic products, okay? The products that are recommended by dermats, वो use करने में काफ़ी safe होता है. Men and women, everyone can use it. These are very safe to use, and also I think these products are worth your every single penny because the quantity you are getting, it's also great. And ये तो easily 2-3 महीने चली जाएगा because you don't have to use it a lot. So yeah, I am really happy about their quantity as well. And another thing I wanted to tell you guys that after receiving the product, app पे आपको एक chat option मिलेगा. वहाँ पे you can chat with the skin advisors. They are there to help you and support you through chat. And आपको कोई भी problem हो तो you can go there and chat with them. They are there for you for 24/7. And also you will get a free monthly follow-up by the dermats. Now मेरा जो kit है, this is for 2 months I think. You have to use it for 4 to 8 weeks. और अगर आपके skin पे कोई भी problem है तो they will tell you accordingly. And also I found this app very very friendly. वहाँ पे confusion की कोई जगह नहीं है. Everything is mentioned. वहाँ पे कौन सी products use करना है, कब use करना है, कैसे use करना है, quantity कितना लेना है, everything is literally mentioned on the app. You just have to go through the app. और वहाँ पे आपको एक डेमो वीडियो भी दिया जाएगा ताकि कोई भी confusion ना रहे. And फिर भी if you have any confusion, you can just go to the chat and talk with them. Now I found this app really promising. I really liked their products and this is the reason why I am making this video. अगर ये products मेरे ऊपर काम नहीं करते तो I would never make this video, okay? तो I am giving you my 100% honest opinion. I really like these products और मुझे लगता है कि आपको भी ये service try करना चाहिए. You should try this app and try these products. I am sure अगर आपका कोई skin concern या hair concern है, you should definitely try this app. So yeah guys, with that, that's a wrap and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product links and details will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. और अगर CureSkin related कोई भी questions हो तो you can ask me in the comment section below. I will try to answer them as much as possible in my next video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.